Hi guys, and welcome to our weekly market breakdowns. So if you're on YouTube, this is the first one that I'll be posting. If you're on Instagram, that's the third one. So yeah, we're first going to be starting with the pairs that I analyzed on Instagram, which are EURUSD and USDZAR. I'm going to be giving you guys an update and then telling you what to expect next. So starting with EURUSD, remember the last time I said that the market has to retest our minor support before we go up to the upside. So we took a short-term sell to the support right here, and now we're expecting the market to go up or give us buy confirmation before going up, right? This is what, so we first expected the initial move to the downside, and I said that if we do, then this is what we should expect. But then if the market breaks this level, we expect to retest it as resistance, and then we're going to take profits here. For now, though, this is what we see. We are on the weekly minor support, right? And then we came down. So now this is what we expected. For me to be convinced, right, this trade, I expect the market to break this minor resistance and retest it as support. So this is where I'm going to be placing my second entry if I do get buy confirmation here in the form of a bullish engulfing candlestick. So I'm going to take the second trade with higher lots right here if we do get a break from this level and a retest and buy confirmation. And then I'm going to take another one here if it does behave the way I expected it to. And then I'm going to be taking profits at my major resistance. So the next pair we're going to be looking at is USDZAR, sorry, USDZAR. USDZAR the same thing. Oh yeah, never mind. So USDZAR the same thing. I said we must take a trade here to the upside and then we can sell. So for those who didn't see that analysis, basically what I saw is that we're in a long-term downtrend, right? In a long-term downtrend, if you've seen my lessons, I did mention that we're only interested in sells. All sells are the most high probability trades you're going to find, right? So we right now on weekly resistance, right? And what do we do at resistance? Resistance is a level where we expect sellers to come in. So obviously, this is where we're expecting sellers to come in. If we do get sell confirmation, our first take profit will be here. And then we're expecting the market to break this minor resistance, minor support and retest it as resistance. And then we're going to sell and take profits at our weekly level. But the reason why, the reason why we're expecting a sell is because number one, we're in a long-term selling trend. And then in a long-term selling trend, you're looking for key levels where sellers are expected to come in. And then if they do, in the form of candlestick confirmation, that's when you sell. Let's go to lower time frames to check if we can't see like a pattern of some sort or extra confirmation. Remember, we use 3 time frames. One as a main trend time frame. The second one is an intermediate time frame, and the last one is our inter time frame. So on our daily, our only job there was to see our key levels. I'm trying to drag this thing down. So yeah, if you're not convinced that you should take the trade here, what I'd suggest is that you expect or trade the breakout from this level and then probably retest it on a lower time frame as a resistance and then take your trade here. So this is what I'm expecting. Could go the other way, but yeah, from the analysis of the previous weeks, this is what I'm expecting. So another pair for this week will be gold. I forgot which one. Is it this one? Yeah. So now at gold, let's check our higher time frame. Okay. Let's start at the higher time frame so that you can see what I'm seeing, because I can give you like an answer now. So on gold, we're in a long-term uptrend. On a long-term uptrend, we're interested in buys because why? The buying market. So right now we're in a level where first we got resistance and then a huge move to the downside, and then the market came back to retest this resistance, but the market broke it, retested it as support, and continued to the upside. So this is a trend continuation zone. So now the market has came back to this level to retest it as support. This is all you need to know, that the market is in a long-term uptrend. Then the market is now at support, right? So now, it being at support, we're expecting a movement to the upside to at least retest this level. If we do get a retest to this level and a continuation of this buy momentum, it will either retest it as resistance, right, and turn, and we're going to take profits here, or the one that I'm hoping for, because this is a major zone versus a minor zone. So I'm expecting, not we, I'm expecting, I'm expecting a breakout and a retest to the downside, and then retest as expecting to retest this level as support. And then yeah, this is what I'm expecting, because it's a major level versus a minor level. So what happens when the market recently broke a minor level and retested a major one? Well, normally when it comes back to retest, when it comes back to retest the minor level, it breaks it. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on the daily chart, that we should expect the movement to the downside, to the upside, right? And then our confirmation on our intra time frame. So yeah, now we're on the 4 hour, right? As I was saying, we got a breakout from this trend line. There was a resistance here, resistance, and now the market retested this, found resistance, but eventually broke out. At the same time, retesting now minus support, right? So if we do get buy confirmation here, I expect us to buy. So for now, I'd say place a buy stop above this level, and then place your your stop loss here, and then your target should be somewhere here. So it's a 3 to 4. Very good, if you ask me. And then yeah, I think we'll talk about entries on a later stage. But yeah, this is all I have for you guys, and hope you enjoyed it. Till we meet again. Sure.